No, it's a battle royale. Even like non-shooter players enjoy it, you know. I think it's pretty happy. It's happy music. Oh!
Wait, oh my.
Fuck!
I'm mad. I'm fucking mad.
No! No!
Yeah, like everything is happy about it. The colors are...
Yeah, yeah. You play fucking egg.
Bean.
We have bean. We have a great diversity in our teams. See if Simon's busy with his stream. We'll see. If he starts moving or not. Okay, I see Simon.
Bruh.
I am second pirate.
I can see you.
Oh, you...
You can say it.
No, I'm not going to. I am better than that.
What's the game? Game's not made for that.
I
Okay.
have to keep getting yeeted by the paddle thing.
Are you stuck there with the door? That one.
It's fine, I'm through.
Okay. Come on. Let's go. Okay, I'm in.
Ow.
Hello there.
What the fuck? Where'd that crocodile come from? What the heck? Yo, what's wrong with that guy? Unqualified. Oh, I saw an arrow. Please don't do the slimy one. The slimy slime. Simon, you made it.
Yeah, I made it, man. What about you
Let's
guys?
do this. I did it.
No.
And Izzy just learned about
Never,
another
never.
mechanic. So.
You want to blow your ears out.
Is the pirate part of the bad pass? Or why do people have it now? Or is it store? So it's for the rich people. There's crocodile. Oh, it's actually a T-Rex. He's even called T-Rex. Oh, Simon, that was a close one. Oh, the pigeon. I think the pigeon just died because he tried to got in frenzy.
Oh no, I fell! Ah, dude.
You just not check her out.
Simon just ran off. Oh dear. Hey. I've got this. Oh no, Rocket League. Oh, this is... Oh. Team games in this one are so... yak. Oh well then, Team Gold. I've got the T-Rexes on my team. Oh no, that's not gonna go well. Okay, Simon, teach me. Teach me the ways. Actually, I didn't do anything and my team's just scoring. No. Uh-oh. Nothing. Oh, okay, we got a strong defense though. Oh! No, I missed it. Oh my god! Oh my god! This team's insane. And 2. I don't think I have water here actually. I don't have water here. I'm
proficient in so many games. You know how to milk it. Fucking, it's fabulous, man.
Tiptoe as the final game. Wait, this is not even the end game. Interesting. There's one. Oh! Oh! He just pummeled across. Okay, I'm not moving, boys. I ain't moving. We're just pushing each other. Okay, come on. No! God damn it. Why is no one moving? Yeah, it's got to be.
We've got to get to the other side of it.
Yes! Whew. Oh my god, we're playing with Sadja.
That was the perfect. Okay, good. That's what I like to hear, man.
We got Sadja in the game.
Oh, no. Did you fall in a hole?
Royal Fumble?
Bro, what happened, man? What's the story?
Wait, is this still a team game? No. Oh, no, this is the end game. What even is the tail? Oh, someone spawned with it. Okay. Come on in. Oh. Hello. Come on!
Oh, nice intercept. Almost got it.
Oh.
You have to intercept. You have to play RNG. You've got 35 seconds. You've got to work it out. Oh! Oh!
No!
Fuck out, get the fuck out.
Give me that thing. No, no!
Yo, GG's, man. That was a good effort.
Hey!
What up? Welcome back to the Slack.
We did it!
Thank you so much, dude. We out here. Wait, you won?
Is
Wait,
that no...
did you win
no
or
GG?
what?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. I didn't realize it was
okay. I
you.
didn't realize either.
No one paid
I was
attention.
convinced I was watching you
That's
the whole
like-
time, man.
Oh, it's alright. That's just like, okay, well then no reaction. That's fine, I guess.
I don't know who I was watching. I was convinced I was watching you.
Congratulations on your new crown.
What do you guys prefer to watch? Valorant or Battle Royale shooters? I'm not saying Hyperscape alone because there's more. Because Valorant can be quite boring to watch, can it not? Talking like Yoda, I do. I played Skyrim, a huge Elder Scrolls fan, am I?
I'm right at the back. This is bullshit.
I'm straight at the front. I'm gonna smash my face into this door and I'm gonna win. Dude, shut up. Oh, I might not qualify here. Actually, we should. Where are you?
Behind you. Yeah.
You got it right. Oh, that was close. It's just... Oh no, we're gonna lose this.
We're gonna win. Easy.
Why do we face this way and not the balls? Got one effort. I really don't understand the physics of the ball. Okay, we're looking good though. We're looking good. We're juggling over there. Juggling the blue balls. Let's go.
Wait. One of our team just pushed it into the red.
Nah, we won though. What is it? Hoopsie daisy. We're absolutely losing. We're getting smashed by blue. As long as we beat yellow, we're good. Oh, we're 29. We're 2 behind. He was red. It's a goal one.
Oh no no no!
Come on, Lanny!
Oh,
I missed it.
Didn't get it. Didn't get it.
Yes! Yes! Woo! That golden ring.
Lanny MVP.
That golden ring. I think this will be the last one. Yeah, it's HEX-A-GONE. May the best player stay alive.
Not me.
Not me either. Oh my god.
That bitch. I have nowhere to go.
Yes! Hey, woo!
Hey.
Did you see the strats?